said that, we shouldn't have called and we're terrible for doing that and blah, blah, blah. So, you know what? Let's never call again, okay? The only reason I advocated for it the other day because, it seemed like the right choice at the time. But if they want to, go along with this and act like they're experts, fine. Wind up dead. Wind up dead. We shouldn't have called and fine. Wind up dead. Wind up dead. Wind up dead. Wind up dead. You're a very disturbed individual. Go see a therapist or something. Wind up dead. Wind up dead.